Axie boundlessness cost really equivalent to $7.0510 a coin, or so they fundamentally thought. The present exchange cost range, 6.9500 which sort of is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, 7.0000, or so they fundamentally thought. The change really was plus 0.0510, plus 0.73%, or so they thought. Converse rate, USD to AX, or so they really thought. Axie vastness value expectation. In the not-so-distant future in month Axie endlessness cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $7.14, genuinely greatest 7.64, exceptionally least 6.64 in an unpretentious way. Axie limitlessness figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost $7.09, in every practical sense, greatest 7.59, sort of least 6.59, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $7.37, certainly greatest 7.89, by and large least 6.85, which for the most part is very huge. Axie endlessness conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost $7.08, certainly greatest 7.58, extremely least 6.58. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $7.11, really greatest 7.61, by and large least 6.61 in an extremely huge manner. In multi-week Axie boundlessness conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $7.18, truly most extreme 7.68, sort of least 6.68. Exceptionally further appearance how Axie endlessness estimate on Thursday, June 1, cost $7.08, by and large greatest 7.58, beautiful least 6.58, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie vastness cost forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost $6.95, most certainly greatest 7.44, most certainly least 6.46 in an unpretentious way. Axie endlessness estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost $6.99, genuinely most extreme 7.48, really least 6.50, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $6.97, greatest 7.46, really least 6.48, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness figure on Friday, June 9, cost $6.70, kind of most extreme 7.17, all things considered, least 6.23, which fundamentally is very critical. In about 14 days Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $7.17, really greatest 7.67, sort of least 6.67, or so they basically thought. Axie vastness gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost $7.19, genuinely greatest 7.69, least 6.69, which generally is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost $7.19, kind of most extreme 7.69, genuinely least 6.69, exhibiting that the change certainly was plus 0.0510, plus 0.73%, or so they by and large thought. Axie limitlessness gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost $7.23, truly most extreme 7.74, certainly least 6.72, which basically is very critical. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost $7.23, beautiful greatest 7.74, fundamentally least 6.72, which is very critical. In 3 weeks Axie limitlessness conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost $7.29, exceptionally most extreme 7.80, extremely least 6.78 in an exceptionally huge way. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost $7.03, truly greatest 7.52, least 6.54, exhibiting that Axie endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $6.95, exceptionally most extreme 7.44, truly least 6.46, which basically is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness conjecture on Wednesday, June 21, cost $7.06, especially greatest 7.55, kind of least 6.57, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost $7.18, by and large greatest 7.68, for the most part least 6.68 in a significant manner. Axie vastness figure on Friday, June 23, cost $6.72, certainly most extreme 7.19, exceptionally least 6.25, which truly is very huge. In about a month Axie endlessness cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost $6.61, most extreme 7.07, kind of least 6.15, or so they explicitly thought. Axie vastness figure on Tuesday, June 27, cost $6.34, kind of greatest 6.78, extremely least 5.90, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. USD to Axie swapping scale extremely equivalent to 0.1418 coins per $1 in an exceptionally significant manner. Today, S reach 0.1391 minus 0.1439, which truly is very huge. The past day, S nearby 0.1429 in a kind of significant way. Change for now 0.0011, 0.77% in an exceptionally huge way. USD to Axie cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which sort of is genuinely huge. Dollar to Axie endlessness conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost 0.140 coins, certainly most extreme 0.151, really least 0.131. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 0.141 coins, lovely greatest 0.152, sort of least 0.132, which generally shows that Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost $7.11, really most extreme 7.61, certainly least 6.61. Dollar to Axie endlessness conjecture on Wednesday, May 31, cost 0.136 coins, extremely greatest 0.146, genuinely least 0.127 in a very significant way. USD to Axie forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost 0.141 coins, greatest 0.152, really least 0.132 in a genuinely huge way. Dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Friday, June 2, cost 0.141 coins, kind of greatest 0.151, by and large least 0.131, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. In multi-week USD to Axie expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 0.139 coins, most extreme 0.150, really least 0.130, which explicitly is very critical. Dollar to Axie endlessness estimate on Tuesday, June 6, cost 0.144 coins, especially greatest 0.155, kind of least 0.134 in an every practical sense, significant way. USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.143 coins, genuinely greatest 0.154, by and large least 0.134. Further appearance how Axie boundlessness conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost $6.34, truly most extreme 6.78, least 5.90 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Thursday, June 8, cost 0.143 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.154, extremely least 0.134, which especially is genuinely huge.